Is your check engine light on and your car struggling to speed up like it used to? You might be dealing with trouble code P0085, which stands for Exhaust Valve Control Solenoid Circuit Low, Bank 2. This is a generic code for vehicles from 1996 and newer, and it points to a specific electrical issue in your variable valve timing system. Here's what is happening under the hood. Your engine control module, or ECM, uses a control solenoid to manage oil pressure and adjust the camshaft position. It does this with a pulse width modulated signal. When the computer detects that the voltage in this circuit is lower than what it should be, it sets this code. Remember, Bank 2 is the side of the engine opposite cylinder number 1. The problem is usually located on the exhaust manifold side of the cylinder head. Beside the warning light, you might notice your gas mileage dropping and the car feeling weak when you step on the gas. The most common causes for a circuit low code are a wire harness shorted to ground, a solenoid that is shorted internally, or occasionally a bad ECM. To fix this, you need to get your hands dirty with some electrical testing. First, disconnect the harness connectors from the PCM. You need to figure out if your solenoid is ground side or power side controlled using a wiring diagram. Set your digital volt-ohm meter to volts. Put the positive lead on the battery positive and the negative lead on the solenoid wire. If the system is grounded to the chassis, you should not see voltage on the power lead when it is disconnected. If you do see voltage, that means there's a short to ground in the wiring harness, and you will need to trace the wire back to find the break. Next, test the solenoid itself. Put one lead of your meter on a known good ground and the other on the solenoid terminals. If you see low resistance, the solenoid is shorted internally and needs to be replaced. If the wiring and solenoid pass these tests, you will need to back probe the wires at the PCM with an advanced scan tool and a graphing multimeter to see if the computer is actually sending the signal. If there is no signal coming out, the PCM might be the culprit. Electrical gremlins can be tricky, so if you are unsure about probing wires, take it to a certified shop. Catch you in the next video.